Comparing Forefront Identity Manager versus other identity managers. Courtesy of idmchecklist.com from Informatics. How does Microsoft's Forefront Identity Manager, or FIM, compare to other identity management or IDM products? Here we compare Microsoft FIM with Oracle and CA, the market leaders. Microsoft Forefront Identity Manager. Microsoft's Forefront Identity Manager is quite different from CA and Oracle. Some of the key differences include: FIM replaces the concepts of roles and attributes with policy objects. This is consistent with Microsoft's Active Directory architecture. The system is more tightly integrated with the Windows environment. For example, the user can change their password from the Windows login prompt. User self-service lets users request access through applications via group membership. With Oracle, that is done by requesting access to specific applications and adding those to a shopping cart type interface. Microsoft has fewer governance, certificate, and audit functions. Gartner has said the lack of those has pushed FIM from the top quadrant in the market. Microsoft calls connectors management agents. While Microsoft provides the same SAP, AD, and PeopleSoft connectors as other vendors, many FIM management agents require programming. Lots of those have been written by third parties and are distributed on open-source sites like SourceForge.net. Workflow drives synchronization. Programmers use Visual Studio to design workflows. Access management is limited to .NET, SAP, Kerberos, Unix login with Active Directory, and a few others. Some of these require programming, unlike Oracle and CA. Oracle. Oracle has greater focus on governance. Differences between Oracle and Microsoft are: administrators can assign risk points to user metadata for certification purposes. Provisioning is driven by roles and attributes. Oracle includes a forms process for manual provisioning to legacy apps that do not have an API. Reconciliation flags users who have been granted access outside the provisioning process. This is one of the many audit functions built into the product. Administrators can use Oracle IDM or the JDeveloper Java IDE for workflow design. JDeveloper requires programming skills. CA. Difference between CA and Microsoft include: CA is the first to offer IDM, a software as a service. The database is the eTrust Directory LDAP, a CA product. CA has proprietary connections for Unix, RACF, Exchange, and others, as does Microsoft and Oracle. The Salesforce connector is available on the Salesforce App Exchange. Business Logic Handler requires Java programming to assign user attributes when advanced logic is required. Bottom line: Microsoft Forefront Identity Manager requires more programming skills to configure than Oracle or CA. It is also more closely tied to the Microsoft platform. Microsoft does not include governance within their product. Oracle and CA are easier to deploy since they require less custom programming, plus they include governance. Have you installed Microsoft Forefront Identity Manager or FIM in your organization? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. And to follow through on the tips introduced in the short article, be sure to download your free copy of the 8-point Identity Management Checklist. You can download a copy of this checklist while it's still available at idmchecklist.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about comparing Forefront Identity Manager versus other identity managers.